again, welcome back to Codage VIT after a long time. नहीं long time तो नहीं शायद 2 दिन बाद मैं video record कर रहा हूँ. Anyways, I'm not finding out time to record these videos because I'm a day scholar, so it takes me a lot of time to travel back to home. Anyways, and even I get tired or moreover there is not a good Wi-Fi connection in campus, right? I guess you might be able to relate all this things. You don't find good internet connection over there, so even if you would have recorded the video, you won't be able to sit in the library and upload it over there. Apart from all these problems, I'm trying my best to provide you the solutions. Let it be either in form of PPT, PDFs, or in form of a recording. So I guess I'm doing good for you all. So let's move to today's period. This is form names with tiles. See, it's a very damn easy question, okay, but I don't know why I've got still very less summations for this on Vprople. Okay, but anyways, it's a very easy question. The thing is, let me explain you it in a short. The thing is, they'll be providing you with some words, okay, and with a name. Now what you have to do is, with the help of those words, you have to figure out that from what positions you can make your name. Okay, for example, let me take some examples and explain you. Suppose if you have got in first line they'll be telling you the word. Okay, in first line they'll be providing you the word letters, and then in the next line they'll be providing you the name, and then we have to print the positions of tiles from where the child name can be formed. Okay, that is all what we have to do. Is there an example of, yeah, see, this is the example. See, so this is how they're going to provide you the input. Okay, these are the tiles which are having the words written on them, and the child's name is ABCD. ABCD. Now see, if you look at the position 2, so BACD, if you rearrange all these letters, all these 4 letters, then you'll be able to make this name ABCD. So that is why it's written over there that the child's name can be found by using tiles from position 2 as well as from position 10 also, because see over here, I guess this is position 10. So C, A, B and D, if you'll arrange all these 4 words, then you'll be able to form this name ABCD. That is why we have got 2 outputs for this. If these are the outputs, then from tiles from position 2 and tiles from position 10 can be used to make this name. Okay, that is all what we have to do. So I've got a very short and a simple code for this. Okay, let me first follow the output format. Letter is equals to input. Okay, here basically the user will be providing like A, B, C. Okay, something like this it will be providing me, and then comes the name. But the thing is, see, what I'll be writing is SOR shorted input. Suppose, see, this is the name ABCD. Okay, suppose see, ABCD, it's already in a shorted form. Shorted का मतलब ये होता है कि I have to arrange. Suppose अगर user ने हमें ABCD नहीं दिया होता, suppose your user would have given ACDB. Okay, suppose this is what the user would have given me. So using this shorted function, what I'm doing is I'm converting this name ACDB into ABCD. Yeah, ABCD. Okay, this is what I'm doing. Why I'm doing this, you will understand it later. Okay, but this is what it means. This is what shorted function does. Okay, it will basically short these alphabets into their dictionary order. So this is what is happening over here. Now once this is done, I'll go for a for loop. For I in range len of letter minus len of name plus 1. Now you might be thinking why I'm running this for loop up to here. Okay, this for loop will basically start up from 0 and it will go up to this place. Now why I'm doing this, that is what you might be expecting, right? So let me tell you what is actually happening over here. See, first of all, let me write this. If name is equals to shorted letter I colon I plus len of name, yeah, then in that case print I plus 1. You might be confused over here with lot of things, so let me explain what is actually happening over here. So see, over here you can see that I have started my for loop. See over here, my for loop is starting from 0 and it will be going up to length of letter minus length of name plus 1. Now why is it so? So the reason behind this is written over here. See, since I'm slicing my letter, see, suppose this is my letter. Okay, this is my letter, so I'm slicing it. I'm slicing my letter from 1 to 1 plus len of name. What does it means? I'm creating subsets of four names. Okay, for example, suppose the letter is A, B, C, D, A D B C D E F. This is the name. Okay, so you, and the name is A B C D. So what is the length of name? It's basically 4. And what is the length of error? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so it's 15. Now see, I am slicing this letters in this format. Suppose the value of I is 1, okay, so I is 0, so 0 colon 0 plus len of name. It means starting from position number 0, this is position 0, this is position 0, so starting from 0, I have to go up to the 4th index, 4 minus 1, that is 3rd index. So it will slice this, so my letter gets converted into A, B, C, D, and then starting from this index, from first index, it will go up to the next 4 numbers, that is B C D S, B C D S. Then it will go up to CDSB, CDSB, so CDSB, so on. Okay, it will keep on slicing these numbers, it will keep on slicing my letter word. That is what is happening over here. See, this thing is meant for slicing my this letter. Okay, it will slice my letters, and up to what I have to slice, I have to slice from I to I plus length of name. Okay, and now once it is sliced, I'm shorting it. Okay, now see, this is in alphabetical order. This is not is this in yeah, this is also in alphabetical order, but this one is not in alphabetical order, so it will get shorted into B C D S. Now it is in alphabetical order. Okay, similarly, now see, A B C D, it is in alphabet. Okay, and my name was already shorted. Sometimes what happens, they might not give you input like A B C D, they might have even given you input like A C D B. So I'm shorting it now, shorting it in this format, A B C D. Now see, what it will be doing is, here I'm checking it if name is equal to this shorted letter or not. Now see, this is my shorted letter. Okay, and this is my name, this is my name, they both correct, this is my name. Now they both are equal, as you can see, they both are equal to each other, so it will print I plus 1, because see, the value of I is 0. Okay, but you have to though this letter A, see, this letter A is at index 0, letter A is at index 0, word A, sorry, word A is at index 0, but for human understanding you have to write that it is at first index. That is why I've written I plus 1. This is all about this code. Okay, it's not a hard code. Okay, it's a very easy code. Just the thing is, you need to understand that why I have shorted this name and why I have shorted this letter. Okay, and letter is sliced over here. Basically, slice in this sense, I'm creating subsets of this letter. Okay, I'm creating the subsets of this letter for every index, and each subset is then shorted, and then it is compared with the name, and if they both are equal, then we are printing it. Okay, printing out. That is all for this. Okay, it's a very easy question. I've even provided the PDFs also. So thank you for watching.